Hey, what is up guys? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an NFT drawing that you can use in order to make a whole collection. The app or program I'm going to use is called Paint. This is an app you can get on your phone and iPad or download to your PC, which I'm going to do today, even though it might be easier to draw on an iPad. I think this app is great for drawing NFTs. So let's get into the video. The first thing you want to do is to download the app. I will leave a link in the description. You don't have to use the sketching program. If you already have one, that's fine. This is just a good free program to use. So once you open your app, your Paint app, or whatever sketching app you're using, you want to create a new canvas. So what you want to do is put your settings to 1000 by 1000 pixels, and then you're basically good to go. You now have a brand new canvas. So, what you want to do now is, if you wanted to draw something, then go ahead and search for what you want to draw on Google, for example. I'm going to use a panda for the sake of this video. You can choose whatever character you want. So I have found this picture of a panda that I'm going to use in order to draw my base character. A panda is a common animal for NFTs, so I would recommend choosing something more unique. So now I'm going to paste this panda into my new canvas. So as you guys can see, I have imported my panda, and now I will just make sure that it's in the middle. So just choose some drawing you want and paste it into the app and make sure it's in the middle. Now we are ready to draw. We have added a picture as a starting point for us to draw after, as I'm not an experienced artist, as many of you also may not be. So what we want to do now is create some different layers. And this is because we are going to create everything in a different layer, so for your collection you will be able to use each layer as a trait for your collection in order to create thousands of NFTs. So what you want to do first is find this tool from up here. It's called the curve tool. And there you can basically get some nice clean lines when drawing around the panda's body. 2. So let's go get your lines done all the way around, and you can just basically try it until you are happy with how it looks. I'm just going to do it quickly for the sake of this video. You should use a bit more time on making these. So just like that, we now have a base construct. Now we want to go ahead and grab a new layer to do the different parts of the panda. So what I'm going to do here is do the same thing just for another part of the animal. Tool. Now we are going on a new layer in order to draw the eyes. Here we are just going to use a normal pencil, which isn't the curved one. This looks fine. We are now going on another layer to make the mouth. This looks fine. And last, for the crown, we are going on another layer and drawing the outline. This looks good, I think. And just like that, we have everything done. Now we are going to color the different layers. I'm just going to color the panda black and white. And just like that, it already looks pretty nice. So this is how you can create a base character for your NFT collection. If you are looking to create a full collection, you will need to create a lot of traits for your character. If you guys want, I can make a part 2 of this video where I will show you how to draw traits for the character. Like hats, glasses, clothes, etc. I can also make a video on how to generate all the NFTs once you have the traits. Let us know in the comments what you want to see next. I hope you guys have got the idea of how to create your NFT. You can also add a background by just making a new layer and filling it with a single color. This looks pretty good for now. So that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and leave a comment down below.